Hey folks, Doug with OilTradingPros.com, your daily recap for July 20th, 2012. Pull up the charts here real quick. Alright, starting with the CL. Actually, total for the day today was 625 is what we pulled in. A few trades in the CL, and then I'll go over the ES ones here in a second. First trade of the day right here, it was kind of a little retracement move after this move downward here. Almost could have had a little channel going on there and right here as well. So alright, there we go. So kind of playing this little channel here. We had a quick 10 ticks on our first target, and the second one came up for a stop out at break even. So we got 10 ticks on that. Second one here was, well, we kind of broke away from this trend and we started moving up, and we had a 930 setup. We took 4 contracts on this. It was a pretty decent setup. It lined up with some other levels that we had previously marked out as well. Got 2 contracts off at 12 ticks in the money, and then our third contract we pulled off up here at 91.64. And then the final contract, we were dragging our stop up on it, trailing it up, and right when it started to reverse back down, it stopped us up here at 91.61. Later on in the day, we did have a couple others we were trying to get filled on. We missed a really nice 930 setup here that we ended up not taking. That was right during the lunchtime hour, and I had stepped away for a quick second, missed it. Some of the guys in the room were able to pick it up, but unfortunately I missed it. Another one right at the end of the day here. This one turned out to be a stop out. We had, we were kind of had about good half an hour or so of just, no real movement, nothing really setting up. Then we had a nice shot upward here, breakout from it. And let me grab the 13 range chart because that's where I have all my levels marked out on it. Go back up here. And just fit this to the screen. And let's see what time of day that was at. Oop, I think we went back too far. Yeah, we went to the previous day. Okay, so here we go on this. This one kind of lined up with some swing highs that we had, and then also too we had some other levels we were looking at, and then it came down to a 930 setup. Kind of jumped the gun in a little bit, didn't get quite where we wanted to get in, and then it stopped out and it reversed back up. So it was a potentially profitable trade. Unfortunately, we got in a little too early on it, and we did get stopped out for 10 ticks on 2 contracts. So we were up 825. We came back down to 625 for the day. Let me grab that ES chart and I'll go through those real quick here. Alright, starting back, here's the open. It was a really slow day in the ES, just kind of floating. We had about a 5-point range up until around, let's see here, we kind of finally broke away from it here around 11 o'clock. We were able to get one little scalp off here early morning around 9 o'clock, 9:10. Pull a point on one contract, and it just really wasn't moving. We had adjusted our stops to about 2 ticks in the money after it started to turn around. So first contract 1 point, second contract we just got 2 ticks. Like I said, we just dragged our stop up. We were looking for it to continue up to at least this level here and test it, but it didn't. So we just got out of that one. There was one other setup here that was a 930 setup that we had an order pending. It didn't right 62.75, but unfortunately it came right down to it. It didn't trade through it to fill, so we didn't take that one. And then we had a nice little trending channel here. Retested this low again, popped up off it, eventually just started to break down from there. And that was it for the ES. You just other than this movement down here, there was and it was real slow moving, as you can see. Just pretty much real slow for the rest of the afternoon. So that was what we did today. Again, don't forget to check out our website and sign up for that free trial. And remember, we call all these trades out live in front of you. You'll see our charts exactly as we see them. We'll let you know we're taking the trades. We'll show you where we're getting in at, let you know where our stops are, our targets are, and you can actually watch the trade play out through the webinar. So if you have any questions, again, shoot us an email. Let us know you're interested in a free trial. We'll get you set up and scheduled. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.